It's
This is
okay.
unbelievable.
Can you see him? Can you see Dr. Chain?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great day in the Merrill household, I'll tell you.
Don't touch your eye. Don't touch
the
it.
eye.
My daughters,
Well,
Okay.
okay, don't touch.
Yeah,
Don't touch.
don't.
oh no.
Okay, maybe you can write that book now.
Ah,
Now, yeah, you can write that book.
Good, good.
We'll get you that computer.
How's your throat?
huh?
How's your throat?
My throat,
Yeah.
I have a cold down here,
Okay.
Well,
but
Was there something wrong with it, Don?
Oh, no, we just
Would
had to put
that-
a tube in it.
Oh,
that-
ink, yeah.
that-
When we
No,
converted
So
it
you're the
over.
resident?
So
Yeah.
other parts
Thank
are
you.
you were
okay.
there?
Thank you.
let me ask
My
you one
brother
other
told me.
little thing.
Yeah.
David.
Right here.
He got a
Yeah.
little confused and tried to get it up. So they
Trigeminal
converted it to
neuralgia.
Yeah.
And I think when they do the next one.
Years
Yeah.
ago I had this, and it problem here and there.
Hi.
I'm getting a little bit of like a toothache
Uh-huh.
over here.
Uh-huh.
It's incredible, David. But I
That's the
can't
only
talk at the
thing.
moment, okay?
This isn't a toothache, I'm sure.
Yeah,
I think it has to
he
do with
recognized
that
us.
nerve. Am I?
I'm, okay.
That's our next stop.
I'll
I
give you a
really
call.
don't quite know how to
Okay.
address that one.
Oh,
Okay,
because I think
I'll call
he's
you back.
maybe saying, is that going to interfere
isn't
with
any-
the eye?
No.
The next eye being done? No. It wouldn't interfere with the next eye being done. But that's the next stop is the neurologist.
After we're done with the second eye.
Yeah, yeah.
But I think we'll probably have to
I'd
put him
wait
on
a little
the,
bit.
you'd know that now, yeah.
I'd like to wait a little bit so I could get some rest.
Yep.
We wait as long as you want.
Non-emergency.
And actually, you know, there's a lot of people who live just fine with one eye too.
You don't think there's no problem here?
That shouldn't affect it.
No.
But let me take a look. Let's see how you're doing.
Okay. I hope you don't mind that I'm doing this so the rest of my family can see.
Is it a movie?
Yeah, I'm hoping.
Trigeminal neuralgia.
Yeah, okay, let's
That's what
concentrate
they
on that good
diagnosed, and
eye.
I'm taking Chagritol.
I promise I won't put it on YouTube.
There's no pain, but I'm getting it.
You calling them?
Come on up and...
I don't think we should wait to have him. You don't want her to talk to him now. I'll wait. You do?
13.
I'll wait, I'll wait.
No, you call and tell her. Call and tell her.
Huh?
You can call and tell her. And as soon as
Open
you know
wide
that he's
for
going
me.
to start falling and that. Oh, you want to use my phone?
Look down.
Oh, there she is.
Mom? Mother? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Jim?
Open wide.
It's okay, Dad. They're not going to do anything to hurt it. He's going to get much better.
Yeah.
Daddy, did you hear that?
Huh?
They said you're going to get
even better.
much better
Oh,
in the next couple of weeks, right? How long? Couple of weeks.
We gotta wait. There's a little bit of edema and there's a little bit of.
You're going to get, your sight's going to even be better. Like Linda said, you're going to be able to write that book.
yeah.
Yeah, so definitely, even if we did nothing with the left eye, with the right eye, you know, like Dr. Bellman said, it'll get better. And if he could read the 2200 line on one day, even if his vision didn't get better, there's things that we can do so he could see, he could read, and he could write and do all that. Okay. All right.
But you would still do it if
Yeah.
we wanted.
Oh yeah, yeah. We'll do the left eye too.
He said that 2200 on the first day, if he can read the line 2200, it's only going to get better.
Yeah.
And then he'll be able to see, okay.
All right. So So you have all the medicines?